Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'll teach you how to make a really cool project. My pet turtle. A turtle that moves around your desktop. So let's run it. What is the turtle's color? It's going to be orange. And there it is. Turtle moves around my desktop. Now let's code it. So I have a clone right here, and now let's recode the project. Okay. Edit with idle. Now here it is. I'll delete everything and we're going to code it by ourselves. Now, first import random. Random is a model that chooses random numbers, and we're going to import turtle st. Now the turtle will be pin up t dot pin up, and the turtle will have a size t dot turtle size is going to be 3. Okay, let's run. Now if we run, we have a bigger turtle. Now let's make the shape as a turtle. T dot shape will help. Turtle. Now it looks like a turtle. You will know why I want to make it as a color. I'll do command is equal input. Command is equal input. What is your pet's color? Pet's color? Question mark. No, I said question mark. Okay, so the color t dot color will be, will be command. Okay, now we need the turtle to move around. We need the background first. So s is equal t dot screen big S dot bj peak is wall, because I have a picture. Wall dot png. Now if I run, the pitch color will be red. Oh, I saw it. Let me run here. It's gonna be red. There may be some problem. BJ peak. Okay, let me just rerun. Going to be red. Here it is. Okay, I'll just add a space here. So now we want the turtle to move around the desktop while the row t dot forward random dot randint 1 to 100 steps. Also, no, I said t dot left random dot randint minus 180 to 180 degrees. If I run Control S and F5, where was it? Hey, okay, this one. I'll close this one. Now we should run. It's going to be red. Let's see back here. Here it is. It moves pretty fast. It's faster than a normal turtle. Let's make it normal. So t dot speed is going to be 1. Pretty slow. So if we run, it's going to be red. I'm going to open here, and now it's pretty slow. Really cool. Now, I hope you have a nice day. If you want more content like this, then subscribe to my channel. And squatch on, guys!